At Blue Sky Investing, we use incisive and methodical analysis to provide you with insights and perspective for your investing journey. Here is our agenda for today. I will present an overview of the company in focus today. Then I will review the business performance of this company. Next, we will evaluate if this company is a good long-term investment. Then we will determine if now is a good time to buy this stock. Finally, we will go over some risks associated with investing in this stock. Let's start with the company overview. The company in focus today is oftentimes referred to as the future Chewy of China. The name of the company is Boki Holdings, ticker symbol BQ. Boki is China's largest pet-focused digital platform. Boki sells pet supplies and pet services through its own marketplace platform and through third-party marketplaces or channels like JD.com, Pinduoduo and Tmall as well. The Boki website also has social media aspects such as articles and blog posts. Key company highlights. Boki has 23 million registered users. It has partnerships with 15,000 physical pet stores and is spread across 250 cities in China. Boki has a large product selection, almost 18,000 SKUs and boasts of 3.5 million average monthly active users on its online platform. Now let us review Boki's business performance. Over the last 4 years, Boki has experienced a compounded annual growth rate of 25% for gross merchandise sold. Latest quarter GMV growth stood at 51%. Revenues grew 27% for a 9-month period when compared year over year. Latest quarter saw 23% revenue growth year over year compared to same quarter last year. Adjusted losses decreased year over year for the latest quarter by 49.8%. However, EBITDA suffered a setback of 109.2% in the most recent quarter when compared year over year to same quarter last year, and this could be viewed as a concern. Now let us evaluate. Is Boki stock a good long-term investment? The compounded growth rate of China's pet industry was 49.1% from 2010 to 2016, the fastest among all industries. During the pandemic, pets became a larger part of live streaming in China. The month of February saw pet-related live streams up 375% over the prior year. Pre-IPO institutional investments. Goldman Sachs invested in Boki through its Series A in 2013, then it followed up with a 25 million Series B funding in 2014. 2 years later, Boki announced that the C round of financing with a total amount of US 102 million had been fully paid, led by China Merchants Bank, and the original investors Goldman Sachs followed the investment. In June 2020, Boki completed more than US $60 million in overseas financing, which was the last round of financing before its IPO. Let us compare Boki to its US counterpart Chewy. Market cap of Chewy is 33 billion, a staggering 77 times value of Boki's 427 million market cap. Early investors in Chewy reaped a 5x or a 400+% return on their initial investment. Boki is in its early innings of growth in a secular growth category, pets, and in a growing consumer market, and it will not be a surprise to see Boki follow in Chewy's growth footsteps. Growing pet ownership in China. In 2018, 100 million families in China owned a pet, representing 22% of the country, compared to 67% for the United States. China's 22% pet ownership is one-third of the US pet ownership at 67%. If Boki stock mirrors Chewy stock performance, and if we assume that it achieves one-third market cap of Chewy, that would be a 11 billion future market cap for Boki. Compared to its current market cap of 427 million, that is a 25x potential return on your investment. Let's look at an example from recent history. Early investors of Bilibili, the YouTube of China, reaped a 10x return on their initial investment over a 3-year time period. Verdict: for investors with a high risk appetite who can stomach high volatility and have a minimum 3-year holding horizon, Boki stock represents a very interesting long-term investment opportunity. Next, is now a good time to buy Boki stock? From this stock chart, we can see that Boki stock is close to its all-time lows post-IPO and has bounced nicely off its lowest key price support level. When we compare the price to sales ratio of Boki to Chewy and Bilibili, we can see that the stock is highly undervalued right now at 1.9 price to sales value. Yes, now is a good time to buy Boki stock. The risks. These are a few of the risks that are tied to investing in Boki stock. Geopolitical tensions between US and China and associated risk of delisting from US stock exchanges. Non-standard Chinese accounting practices leading to fraud in some cases. You can Google Luckin Coffee accounting fraud and read up on this specific incident. Poor execution by Boki management. Full disclosure, I am long Boki stock. This is not financial advice. Please consult a financial advisor for your investment decisions. If you like this content, please consider subscribing to my channel and please smash the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you, and I wish you happy and safe investing.